Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The Best Baking Guide is probably one of the most essential companions for anyone looking to transform their kitchen into a haven of aromatic delights, offering a comprehensive journey from basic techniques to advanced pastry artistry, ensuring every aspiring baker, regardless of their current skill level, can confidently create stunning and delicious treats that impress family and friends alike with minimal fuss and maximum flavor. Number 5. Nielsen-Massey Pure Vanilla Bean Paste. Elevate your culinary creations with this exquisite vanilla bean paste. It brings a rich, authentic vanilla flavor to all your dishes. Whether you're baking a cake or preparing a savory sauce, this versatile paste is your secret ingredient. It seamlessly blends into any recipe, enhancing its taste. Experience the visual appeal and intense flavor of real vanilla bean specks in every spoonful. It offers a more robust and complex profile than extract. This convenient paste form makes it simple to measure and incorporate into your recipes. No more scraping beans, just spoon and enjoy. Each 4-ounce jar provides ample supply for numerous baking and cooking adventures. A little goes a long way to deliver exceptional flavor. From a brand renowned for its commitment to quality, you can trust this paste to deliver consistent, superior results. It's a staple for discerning chefs and home bakers alike. What we like? This paste offers an unparalleled depth of pure vanilla flavor. Its thick consistency adds beautiful specks and rich aroma to any dish. If you're a serious baker who values authentic, robust vanilla in your creations, this is an essential pantry item. What people say. Number 4. The Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs. Discover a world of culinary fun with this amazing collection. It's designed to inspire creativity in the kitchen. Inside, you'll find more than 100 sweet and savory treats. There's something for every taste and occasion. You'll love the process of creating these dishes. They're perfect for sharing with friends and family, and even better to eat. Specifically crafted for aspiring young chefs, this book makes baking accessible and exciting. It guides them through each step with ease. From simple cookies to more elaborate desserts, it covers a wide range of techniques. This comprehensive guide helps build confidence in the kitchen. What we like? This book is packed with over 100 exciting recipes perfect for budding bakers. It makes learning to bake fun and accessible for younger hands. If you have aspiring young chefs at home or want to introduce kids to the joy of baking, this comprehensive guide is your best bet. What people say. Number 3. Cake Decorating for Beginners Guide. Ever dreamed of creating stunning cakes? This guide is your perfect starting point to transform your baking into beautiful masterpieces. No prior experience needed. It breaks down complex techniques into simple, easy-to-follow steps, making professional results achievable for everyone. Each lesson is presented clearly, guiding you from basic frosting to intricate designs. You'll learn the secrets to decorating like a seasoned pro. Discover essential tools, learn various piping methods, and master elegant finishes. It empowers you to express your creativity with confidence. Elevate your homemade cakes to bakery-quality creations. With this, you'll impress friends and family with your newfound decorating skills. What we like? This guide breaks down complex decorating techniques into easy, manageable steps. It empowers you to transform simple cakes into stunning masterpieces. If you're new to cake decorating and dream of creating beautiful, professional-looking desserts, this book will be your perfect mentor. What people say. Number 2. Bake from Scratch Volume 4. Are you ready to transform your kitchen into an artisan bakery? This collection is designed to inspire and guide home bakers like you. Discover a curated selection of sophisticated recipes. From rustic loaves to delicate pastries, it brings the art of professional baking to your home. Embrace the joy of creating delicious treats entirely from scratch. It emphasizes traditional methods for truly authentic results. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your baking journey, you'll find clear instructions and helpful tips within its pages. It makes complex techniques accessible. This 4th volume offers fresh, exciting recipes to expand your repertoire. It continues the tradition of excellence, bringing you even more culinary adventures. Unleash your inner baker and impress friends and family with your homemade masterpieces. It's more than just recipes, it's a journey into the heart of baking. What we like? This volume brings sophisticated artisan baking right into your kitchen. It features unique recipes that challenge and reward experienced home bakers. If you're an experienced home baker looking to expand your repertoire with more complex and impressive creations, this edition is a must-have. What people say. Number 1. Bake from Scratch Volume 3. Unlock the secrets of professional baking right in your own kitchen. This volume guides you through complex techniques with ease, making artisan bread and pastries accessible to everyone. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, you'll find inspiration and challenge within these pages. It offers a diverse collection of recipes, ensuring there's always something new to create. This latest edition builds upon previous successes, bringing even more unique and delicious recipes to your fingertips. It's packed with fresh ideas and innovative approaches to classic baked goods. Discover the joy of baking from scratch without the intimidation. It provides clear, step-by-step instructions, ensuring perfect results every time you bake. Transform your home kitchen into a professional bakery with these expert-level recipes. It helps you develop new skills and confidence, turning everyday baking into an art form. Follow its detailed guidance to achieve consistently delicious and beautiful baked goods. Your friends and family will be amazed by what you can create. Embark on a new culinary adventure with this comprehensive guide. It's the perfect companion for anyone passionate about creating incredible baked treats at home. What we like. This edition offers a fantastic collection of artisan recipes for every home baker. It provides inspiration and guidance for creating delicious, handcrafted goods. If you appreciate the craft of baking and want to explore a wide variety of artisan breads and pastries, this volume will ignite your passion. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.